This is a fiber-based mesh roll. We are going to use it at the junctions where masonry walls and concrete columns and beams meet. We are going to use it for two reasons. One is to prevent hairline cracks that might develop on the plaster because both the materials are different. Hence, due to temperature differences, the cracks might develop. And the second reason is to prevent water from seeping into these cracks. Hence, we are going to use waterproofing compound in the cement plaster and apply it on top of this band.